Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error, the word accommodation. So you can say this video is about the grammatical mistake or common error. This is the common error but not the actual meaning of the grammatical mistake. So I'm giving here the two examples to explain you. The first, could you help me look for an accommodation? So you can see here I use the word accommodation. So this is a common error. Why it is common error? Because this sentence has a singular form, singular vowel, and this is a singular vowel. So the correct is, could you help me look for accommodation? This is the correct. Don't use and before the accommodation, because the accommodation means a place to stay or live. It's always a accommodation. The word accommodation is plural. Accommodation is a plural, as according to UK English, UK or British English. Plural, accommodation is plural, or you can say accommodation is the plural, or it is uncountable from. So don't use an the vowel, the singular vowel before accommodation. So this is a common error. This is correct. So let's go the second example. Accommodation in Mumbai are very expensive. So you can see here that I use the word accommodation to start a sentence. The first word is accommodation. Accommodation in London or accommodation in Mumbai are very expensive. So the right is, this is a grammatical mistake. So accommodation in London, accommodation in Mumbai, always use the capital letter to before the city name, is very expensive. So use the accommodation in Mumbai is, always use is very expensive, because here we use the R. So what is the logic? In American English, both accommodation or accommodations are plural. Accommodation, US English, or you can say the American English. English, accommodation or accommodation is accommodation, and accommodations are the plural form, plural are used. So in the first example, we can say for the first year we stayed in rented accommodation. So for the first year we stayed in rented accommodation. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.